Me after a 500-meter run from Heng Sheng Heng to my house, I'm sweating like I'm playing football in the rain. Oh, it was tiring but satisfying run for 500 meters. And I'm short of breath because of that. So I think I should cool down first, then unpack all my things from the boxes and put it in my cupboard. Yeah, cupboard. So yeah, I have a few things here. That's my Pirate of the Caribbean toy gun. Yep. Yeah. So this is all my things. Yeah. And my cabinet. Okay. And I think I have to take a breather first because I'm really short of breath. Oh, by the way, this is not the original place for my bed. Over there is the original place for my bed. So I just switched it around to face the window, so I can watch over the back alley before I sleep every night. So yeah, I need racks for my magazines too. So yeah, I'm exhausted. By the way, for Ferrari fans out there, I give this shout out for Sebastian Vettel for winning the Bahrain Grand Prix. Very unexpected. I was expecting somebody that I don't like to win, but it came out that Vettel was the winner. So I'm really happy. Bye. Forza Ferrari. Grande. Sep Grande. Bye.